The officer was dispatched to an apartment in Harris County, Texas, in response to a disturbance. Prior to their arrival, the officers were told the defendant was in an altercation with the child's mother, was intoxicated, and had a firearm. Upon arrival, the officers observed the defendant banging on the door to his residence, and the officer told the defendant to show his hands, and the defendant ignored them. The defendant then pulled his handgun from his waist to show the officers that he had it, and then placed it back into his waistband approximately 4 times. The defendant eventually put the handgun down, but told officers they would have to tase him to get him to stop. The officers then attempted to detain the defendant, but the defendant continuously pulled his hands away and kept placing them in his pockets. The defendant was then tased twice, but kept putting his hands back into his pockets. The officers were eventually able to detain the defendant.
Did you say, initially you said he was intoxicated, right? Is that what you said?
Yes, he was intoxicated.
Okay. Mr. McLean, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case.